if you can change the way you look at situations and you don't interpret them as attack, danger, you will not get angry. Let me show you a scripture. When I try to teach this, people like to quote some scriptures to me. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 26 says that be angry and do not sin. Do not let the sun go down on your anger. Now, a lot of people read this and say, Pastor, when you tell us, we can begin to see things in a different way so that we're not easily triggered and we don't get angry. What of scripture that says, be angry and do not sin? And they forget that that same scripture, if you read verse 31 of it, says, let all bitterness and wrath and anger and clamor and slander be put away from you. Let them be put away from you. Here's what the scripture is saying. If you read it in context, it's saying to you, do not get angry. But if you get angry, do not sin. That's what that scripture is saying. Do not get angry. Now, you cannot just say, okay, I'm not going to get angry. I'm not going to get angry. If you do that, you will find yourself angry. But if you deal with the root cause of it, which is the fact that your joy needs to be in the right place, and then secondly, the way you interpret. So when you see people trying to push things on you, you're like in this situation, I'm going to answer this question directly. When you are seeing that your husband doesn't want to accept that they are wrong in anything, you recognize that they just want to be valued, want to be recognized. So you figure a way to do that without, of course, lying or deceiving yourself. You ask them, oh, fantastic, I know that you like to discuss about these things and you are very knowledgeable about many things. Where did you get this from? So that removes the defense and you can move forward.